it's raining, which means it's time to grab some slugs. Will Winona eat it? Winona, do you want a slug? I don't think she'll eat it. All right, let's give it to the ducks. Come on, ducks! Yeah. I figured you'd like that. Is that a good slug? Ooh, and then I found this guy. What is going on here? What? That was a 4-duck experience right there. Wow. Stevie Nicks, yeah, you got that one. All right, look at that one. Get it? Come on, it's right there. Get it, right there. Get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Look, ducks, look. Look, ducks, look. Come on. It's right there. Yes, there we go. Whew. Here's one. Get it. Look. Come here, ducks. Come here, ducks. Look. Come here. Look what I got. Yeah, get you some. Here, Winona, I caught something that you will eat. Little pill bugs. Go for it, bud. Yummy, huh? You don't want that? Oh, that's not a...